Hi, I'm Sherry Boxall, a somatic practitioner specializing in nervous system regulation. Today, we'll move through a gentle combination of somatic practices and Qigong to support your nervous system, helping you shift from states of overwhelm, tension, or disconnection into greater ease and groundedness. These movements are designed to work with the rhythm of your body, inviting safety, flow, and resilience from the inside out. When you're ready, we'll begin standing, feeling the connection between your body and the ground beneath you. Let's begin by just getting comfortable. Have your feet about hips width apart and allow your knees to soften, not be locked out, just a slight bend, and your arms to rest loosely at your sides. And when you're ready, begin to allow your gaze to wander gently across the room. Allow your eyes to move slowly, left, right, up, and down, as if you're viewing this space for the very first time. Allow the movements to be slow, almost as if you're underwater. This simple practice, called orienting, activates one of the oldest safety mechanisms in your nervous system. Orienting helps to reset the vagus nerve and gently signals to your brain that the environment is safe. You might notice as you continue that your breathing softens or your shoulders settle a little more. And when you're ready, you can slowly allow our gaze to return towards center. Allow the eyes to soften and simply notice how your body feels. And as you keep this gentle awareness, allow your attention to settle into your shoulders and neck. Begin to drop the left shoulder, allowing the gaze to follow, turning the head to the left, and then allowing the gaze and head to spiral up through the midline, dropping the right shoulder as we look down into the right, spiraling back and forth, allowing the gaze to lead as the head follows. Allowing the movement to be slow and fluid, like you're unwinding a soft ribbon through your neck and shoulders. In traditional Chinese medicine, the sides of the neck and shoulders are associated with the gallbladder meridian, which governs flow, decision-making, and emotional flexibility. Movements like these help clear stagnation along these channels, inviting a sense of greater spaciousness, both physically and emotionally. When you feel ready, allow your head to slowly float back to neutral, resting effortlessly atop your spine. Sense the space around your jaw, your shoulders, the back of your neck. Notice any small changes, perhaps a lightness, a tingling, a deeper ease setting in. Now, bringing your hands into contact with your head. Allow one palm to rest softly against your forehead, and the other to cradle the base of your skull. Just a light, supportive touch. Feel the warmth of your hands. This simple hold creates a bridge across important centers of your nervous system, a profound invitation to the vagus nerve to come into greater balance, gently reminding your system that it is safe to soften, safe to slow down. In traditional Chinese medicine, the yin tongue point between the eyebrows is known as the third eye, supporting inner peace, clarity, and calming the spirit. The feng qi point at the base of the skull are considered vital gates for clearing tension and restoring the free flow of energy through the body. Allow your breath to be easy and natural. You might notice a warmth building between your hands and your skin, or a gentle feeling of settling deep inside the core of your body. Whenever you're ready, begin to gently release your hands. Lower your arms slowly back down to your sides, allowing your body to integrate the shift. From here, allow your focus to expand along the entire length of your spine, from the soles of your feet to the crown of your head. Feel the subtle vertical connection between the earth and sky. Begin by placing your hands together in front of the lower belly. Fingers pointing softly toward each other. Allow the hands to rise up the center line of the body. At the chest, we rotate the fingers to face the sky, raising your arms over our head before allowing the arms to gently extend down back to our sides. The arms extend overhead, keeping a soft bend in the elbows. As you exhale, allow your palms to rotate downward and sweep softly outward, tracing a wide arc through the air as they lower down beside you. This practice, often called Raise the Sky, is a foundational movement in Qigong that nourishes the three burners, the energetic centers that regulate breath, digestion, and vitality. As you lift and open through the arms and spine, you encourage a free, harmonious flow of qi between the lower, middle, and upper parts of your body. Neurobiologically, this upward, elongating movement gently stimulates the interoceptive pathways of the vagus nerve, creating a felt sense of expansion, resilience, and inner spaciousness. Move slowly, allowing breath, arms, and spine to synchronize. Feel the rising, the opening, and the soft rain of relaxation as the arms descend. When you feel ready, allow your arms to settle naturally back down to your sides. Pause there for a few breaths, noticing the length of your spine, the openness across your chest, the steady grounding through your feet, and the lightness reaching upward through the crown of your head. From this feeling of openness and connection, we're going to bring our hands together at heart center, palms touching or hovering close. Just take a moment to feel the warmth between your hands, the quiet energy gathered here at the center of your chest. As you inhale, Allow your arms to extend outward from the heart, tracing a soft, circular motion through the air, moving outward, and then gently drawing the hands back towards your heart as you exhale. Feel as if you're moving energy in and out the heart space, offering and receiving, giving and replenishing. Notice if you feel a gentle wave begin to move through your center. As your arms expand and return, possibly allowing a subtle spiral to ripple through your waist and hips. This kind of slow, spiraling movement engages the ventral branch of the vagus, helping the body rest more deeply into states of trust, ease, and connection, and invites the entire system, heart, breath, core, and spine, into greater fluidity. In traditional Chinese medicine, the heart is seen as the emperor of the body, the seat of spirit and emotional vitality. Gentle, circular movements through the chest and center nourish the heart meridian, clearing stagnation and encouraging the smooth circulation of both blood and qi. Allow the hands to settle gently back at your heart. Pausing here for a few breaths. Feel the echoes of your movement lingering through your body. From the soft radiance gathered in your heart center, allow your arms to release gently back down to your sides. Feel the gentle stillness lingering through your body, the breath moving easily through you. We're going to prepare to bring a little more lightness into the system. Begin to soften your knees and allow yourself to start gently bouncing through the heels. The bounce is small, effortless, an invitation. Feel the vibration travel upward from the ground into the ankles, the knees, the hips, the shoulders, the arms. As you continue to bounce, allow the wrist and fingers to loosen. You might feel a natural shaking beginning through the hands, the shoulders, even the jaw. Allow your body to decide where the energy wants to move. In somatic nervous system work, shaking is one of the body's most organic and ancient ways of discharging excess sympathetic energy. Energy that would otherwise stay trapped in the muscles, the tissues, or the mind. It's a signal to the brain that the body has come through an experience safely and can return to a state of rest. In Qigong, shaking practices are seen as ways of brushing off stagnant or excess qi from the surface of the body, freeing the channels and clearing the field around you. Think of it as loosening layers of held tension. Allow the bounce to be natural, energy waking up and flowing where it needs to go. And when you're ready, allow the bouncing to come to stillness, gradually and at your own pace. Feel the echoes of movement rippling through your body, tiny waves of energy settling just beneath the surface. As we begin to slowly fold forward from the hips, get your upper body drape downward. There's no need to reach or force, simply allowing gravity to draw you into a loose, easy forward fold. You might choose to simply hang here for a few breaths, feeling the weight of your arms pulling downward, decompressing the spine, and inviting your nervous system even deeper into rest. Or, if movement feels more supportive today, allow yourself to slowly sway, folding a little toward the left, rising slightly up, then softening down and over to the right. Slow, wave-like, semicircle motion, massaging the spine, the hips, and the back body. This practice, sometimes called hanging forward or spiral wave, helps unwind tension through the posterior chain of the body. The back, hamstrings, calves, while also supporting the drainage of excess energy through the grounding points of the feet. From a nervous system perspective, folding forward and allowing the head to drop below the heart invites parasympathetic activation. It softens the back of the brain, calms hypervigilant pathways, and draws your system inward towards restoration. In Chinese medicine, folding and lengthening through the back body nourishes the bladder meridian, the longest meridians in the body, which is closely connected to emotional release, fear responses, and foundational vitality. Coming back to stillness, begin to soften the knees a little more. Tuck your chin and slowly roll yourself up, vertebrae by vertebrae, allowing the head to come up last. Notice the ways your body's responding without needing to name, fix, or change anything. Standing here now, allow yourself a few final breaths of quiet integration. Feel the subtle shifts, maybe of deeper ease in your breathing, a softening in your jaw or shoulders, a steadiness beneath your feet. You don't have to define or explain it, simply allowing whatever is here to be present. If something from today's practice resonated with you, I'd love to hear what landed. Feel free to share in the comments or come find me on Insight Timer, where I guide live somatic and breathwork sessions every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll find the link below. Thank you for being here, and thank you for allowing your body to guide the way home.